Can you imagine a scarf that comes with its own tiny instruction? How cool that would be! Well, that scarf does exist, and it's from Hermès and called Instructions sur l'art de nouer et porter, votre, carré, Hermès. The literal translation of which is the art of tying and wearing your Hermès scarf. We will look in detail at some of the illustration on the scarf in this video, and I'll highlight 5 of the tying methods. Instructions sur l'art has only ever been produced in either blue or red, and it's 70 centimeters square. Personally, I found some styles work better for me in a larger size, and I'll be featuring this in a subsequent video. By the way, if you don't know me yet, my name is Elena. Welcome to my channel How to Tie a Scarf, and now let's tie a scarf. I'd like to thank my dear friends who gave me this beautiful scarf, who gave me the idea of this video and helped me to create it. Thank you. If you want to know more on scarf style, you can watch these videos too for more scarf ideas. Subscribe, hit the like button and let me know in the comment section down below what kind of video tutorial you would like to see. I hope to see you soon. Bye!